I started um, doing a whole lot of woodworking and I was getting a lot of dust that was around CNC machine, just different things. So I went ahead and bought a box fan and put a filter on it. I've used it in the past and I thought, well, I need to take an extra step. And I just mounted up there on my garage door opener, and about a week or two goes by and that brown filter on the backside of that tape, which was that fan that was duct taped on there, it had a lot of dust on it. So I thought, well, it's doing a pretty good job. So I'm going to go ahead and do something a little more permanent. And it was just kind of a conglomeration up there. But, hey, it worked. And I was noticing that I'll probably have to change that fan or blow it off or clean it off and about once a month or so. And, the dirt and stuff, I could just take it off. But it was a hassle to get up there and duct tape, pull the duct tape off and stuff. So this is the box joint cover. This is the shape of the fan. I just cut it out on a CNC and used the box joint gadget to make the box joints. I think they were about a 1 inch size. Of course, there's your fan with that first piece going around it. And just kind of looking at the detail, the gadget with the CNC is just pretty sweet. The fan switch is on the face, so this fan at Lowe's is actually a perfect little fan for this. $20, $21, $22 fan, and it does a good job. I just leave it on low, and it just, you can't even barely hear it, and it comes on whenever I turn my shop lights on. So there I was gluing it all together, the box, and getting it all lined up. And of course, you can't ever have enough clamps, right? And so there was my dilemma up there. Uh, did put some of these Wolfcraft corner clamps, and I got these quick releases. I kind of got where I liked them. They were pulling it, so I bought a couple extra ones and pulled them together. Um, when this box joint jig, and I made a bunch of them. So there I am letting it dry up, and a little detail on the box jig. It cuts these little fillets in there, so it's for just a garage utility box. They work pretty good. Of course, you can sand them down and make them pretty if you want to, but pictures of the shop. This is the uh, box fan completed. Again, I didn't put any finish on or anything, but just left the sides open. There's the filter cavity there in the fan, and it just sits up there. I suspended it with some all rod that went through the brackets. And, if I need to take the fan out, I can just reach up there and pull it out in just no time at all. And a little closer view, there's your filter uh, packet, and it's just real easy to reach up there and pull it out. And the fan, if it gets dirty, I can pull it out and clean it, or if I want to use it for another project, uh, I'll just leave that and just pull the fan out. And I could take the fan on a project, just plugged into my lights, LED lights, and powers it. Fan don't take much juice. And there it is there. I did use I think those are 1 inch box joints, and that required a lot less work for the CNC to do it. But anyway, come out nice looking. It's quiet, and it does its job.